Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube. Whether you're a content creator or just someone who loves watching videos, there are a few things you can do to start earning money on the platform. So let's get started. Cut to footage of popular YouTubers. The first thing you'll need to do is create a YouTube channel. If you're already creating content on other platforms like Instagram or TikTok, this might be a great opportunity to expand your reach and start building a following on YouTube. Cut to footage of creating a YouTube channel. Once you've created your channel, you'll want to focus on creating high-quality content that's engaging and interesting to your viewers. Whether you're making videos about beauty, gaming, cooking, or anything in between, your content should be entertaining and informative. Cut to footage of content creation. Now that you've got your channel up and running, it's time to start monetizing your content. There are a few ways you can do this, but the most common way is through YouTube's Partner Program. This program allows you to monetize your videos through ads that appear before, during, or after your videos. Cut to footage of YouTube Partner Program. To be eligible for the Partner Program, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. Once you've met these requirements, you can apply for the program through your YouTube Studio account. Cut to footage of YouTube Studio. Another way to make money on YouTube is through sponsorships and brand deals. If you've built a strong following and have a niche audience, brands may be interested in working with you to promote their products or services. Just be sure to disclose any sponsored content in your videos to comply with YouTube's policies. Cut to footage of sponsored content. Finally, you can also earn money through merchandise sales and fan funding. If you have a strong fan base that's interested in supporting you and your content, consider creating merch that they can purchase or setting up a fan funding account through YouTube. Cut to footage of merchandise and fan funding. And that's it. With a little bit of hard work and dedication, you can start making money on YouTube and turn your passion into a career. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.